In this video, I'm showing you how to replace the headlight bulb in Hyundai Tucson 2016 model. Before starting, make sure the engine is switched off. Open up the bonnet, and the next is releasing the back cover of the headlight. Slightly unscrew it and pull out gently. Now to remove the headlight connector and its bulb. Be very gentle, and as you can see in the video that there are lock and unlock positions. To release the connector, please push the connector slightly in, very slightly, and then bring it to unlock position. It will then release the headlight connector from its place. Here we are. The headlight lamp and its connector is out. Please note its position. If needed, take a couple of pictures for the future reference. Then now releasing the bulb from its connector, you can use two hands if needed and pull the bulb very gently. I'm replacing with H07 bulb. You can buy these bulbs online or in shops. Now make sure the bulb is correctly fitted and try not to touch the glass of the bulb. The next is putting the bulb and its connector back to place, following exactly the opposite way that we did unlock and pull the connector off earlier. Now you follow the exactly opposite way, put the bulb and the connector in its place, and then push slightly in and put into lock position. It will secure the bulb. The next is to put the back cover on. Make sure it's nicely secured. The next now is to check whether the lights power, which is working now. Thank you for watching this video.